Hey guys, this is Chris at CRCades. We're going to go ahead and do a really quick install. This is for the Beetlejuice pinball mods. This is for the flasher cover. You're going to be taking off this flasher dome and replacing it with this skull. So you've got two 632 screws, 1 inch and 3/8 that you're going to be taking off. You'll be keeping the 3/8. The 1 inch and the spacer will be replaced. Inside your pack, you have the new 1.25 inch 632 screw, a new spacer for that, and then the plastic that this goes on, a few stickies to put on the back of your skull to affix it to this new plastics once it goes in. So let's go ahead and take this off. This is a super easy, quick mod to do. I'm doing it here on my bench because I actually have it taken apart on my game inside the shop to do an install for other mods. So I have this on the bench right now. Got a whole lot more of Beetlejuice mods coming out. I think we have like a dozen mods right now that are coming out for this. You guys have only seen, I think, 3. So there's far more to come. So with that small 3/8, go ahead and put that back in. Put your plastic on the back. Put your nut back on. And then you can tighten that back up. Centered, and you go ahead and get your new 632 1.25 inch long. Put it through, new spacer. Put your flasher back on it. Put the nut back on. And then tighten it back up. Just snug it up. It's all plastic, so you don't want to get too tight. There we go. You can come around front. Make sure that you've got the flasher centered again. You can take your sticky here, it's double-sided. Pull off one side. Put it on the back of your skull. There you go. Take the second piece off of the skull. And then you center him. So his fingers are over the top of the plastic again. There you go. And he's in place, ready to go. So it's really quick and easy. Go ahead and check us out at CRCades online. Find the other mods for Beetlejuice. And if you have any questions, give me a call or email me, text, whatever you need. Thanks, buddy. Have a good day.